Hello, guys. Welcome to Traders Delight. And how are you doing today? This is going to be a video strategy for boom, crash, either 500 or 1000. Before we go ahead, please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, watch the video, enjoy yourself, like, comment, share with your friends, invite your friends over. This channel is dedicated to getting free strategy. Guys, I promise you, if you follow my strategy very strictly, I'm telling you, you are going to grow your account and live large in money. Guys, in money. So this strategy I'm going to explain to you, I am doing it with a challenge. And what's the challenge? Let me show you the account I'm about to work on now. You see that the account has $3.86. $3.86. Now, what's this challenge? The challenge is to grow this from 3.86 to 1000. Grow this from 3.86 to 1000. And I know to some of you might sound very crazy, but if you truly want to challenge yourself and you want to show how studious you are, I challenge you to get an account, especially for those of you who are new there. You can check my channel and look for a video on how to create an account, and use the link I provide in the description. Create an account and then get set up. Put in at least, because I think the minimum deposit could be around $5. Put in like $5 in your account, or if you have an account where you have where you have deposited, you can just put in something around this figure, $3.86. And the reason why I'm using this is because that I found out is the minimum you can use to enter a trade for boom 500. So we're going to use this strategy and gradually grow this into $1,000, and then we'll pick up another challenge to go further from there. I want to show you how simple this can be, but first I need you to promise me something. And what's that? That you are going to follow the rules. Every rule I give to you, you must make sure you are not anxious. You are following the rule intact, exactly the way I tell you to. Okay? Follow the rules. Follow the rules. All right. Now, before I go show you the settings, I want to show you the settings later on in the video. But first of all, the first rule I want you to note is this. Can you see this? The zoom level is zoom out twice. 1, 2. You're good. And the reason is that you want to be able to see what all these indicators are saying. That is the zoom level I recommend. Twice. Zoom out twice. The number 2, the lot size you want to use. You know, it's a it's a less than $4 account. Stick to using 0.2 lot size until you get to like a $20 account. Don't change your lot size. Don't change your lot size. Use this lot size until you get to a $20 account. And once you get to $20, you can double it. Double at $20. Then when you get to $40, double it. When you get to $60, you triple it. You double it again rather. Then so that you can really appreciate what I'm saying. So that means for now use 0.2, When you get to $20, then you use 0.4. For $40, that will be 0.8. For $60, that would be 1.2. So you keep doing this way. Don't increase this lot size from 0.2 until you get to $20. Don't increase it from there. I'm very, very, very strict about this. Then, how then do you pick a entry? And as much as possible, I know many will say, this, how do we know? How do we get to know how to go about this? I want you to listen. Now, when you look at this, on the main chart, you will see there are a bunch of indicators there. This is how I pick a entry. First of all, you see this? Yeah, this formation must happen. Once this happens, then you are free to pick that as the first one. Secondly, you want an indication of this to happen. This must happen. Then thirdly, you want this to happen. So once you have gotten indicator 1, main chart, gotten this, the second indicator, and then the third one, then you want to follow a rule. Once you see a matching, this is boom 500. Once you see a matching from the accelerator indicator, which is this, and it match with this. Hold on, guys. I hope you're following. Once this second and third one matches, that means the AC and the AO, once they match like a matching red, because this is a boom, you go in and you pick one candle, you pick one lot size, you pick one. I think I just missed some now. I would have entered to show you. I was really explaining what was going on. You pick one lot size, and then you leave the market. You pick one, you leave the market. If you go straight with this, the strike can never catch you. Never catch you. Remember, once you want to achieve that, you make sure that you have all these settings, like I show you in the arrow, all these settings, and if you go in, you are safe. You are safe. Now, some people will say, well, all these are really money just getting to waste. Listen, for another entry that you can pick here, when you see, because I used this purple moving average on the main chart as the trend indicator, when you see the chart above the purple, don't use this. Don't use, sorry about that. Don't use this. Hold on. Don't use this and this until you see this happen. Once this happens, that's the last indicator happens, definitely you're free to use the AC and the AO meeting. That way you are safe to go in. I hope you guys understand, guys. I hope you're understanding. I will go over it once again so that you understand. That's the reason why I want to stress on this before going. These boom and crash markets are not easy market to go through without a spike, because you can't really tell when a spike is coming in. However, if truly you want to all right guys, I actually needed to go get a pointer so that my explanation can be clear, and I think it will be now. Now listen, like I told you, the main indication we want to be using is these two, this AC and this AO. However, before you use the AC and the AO, I want you to observe some very important conditions. Number one, you make sure that this red line is at this top here, is around 90 and 85 before you use it. Secondly, you make sure that this one is also around 90 and 80 before you use that. So once you see that, then you also that's when you can now go ahead and then use the AC and the AO matching red for boom 500 and boom 1000, or the matching green for crash 500 and crash 1000 safely. You may say, okay, now a red and a red has appeared, now we should go into the market. But my advice would be no, don't go into the market, because right now you can go into the market now and this will spike unknown to you. So once you see that, please advise, don't do it. Wait until you have a strong formation that will guarantee your safety in the market before going. Remember, you have a very small account. You don't want to blow it. And like I told you, once you see the formation form, you have to take just one peep, just one peep, and I'm going to show you how to do that very soon. One peep. Now, like I told you, like a recap, you need to ensure your safety in the market. Ensure your safety in the market. Don't enter the market without knowing what's happening. Ensure your safety in the market, because you can say, take looking at examples of what's happening. Take for example, you come in here, you see, if you look at this market here, over here, this could have been this here, this here, the last AC here that turned to AO could have shown a red, and after the spike it will turn back to a green. The reason why this is happening is because once you have a setup like this, you need to be very careful when going to the market. So the first one is ensure you have this forming. Number two, ensure you have this touching the between the 95 80 level. And once you have that, then the next thing for you to do is, sometimes you can ensure that this one forms. Once this one forms, then maybe you can go into the market. However, once you have this and this form, and then you are able to see this form, whatever you see, pick it. Though most of the time I advise just pick sorry about that, just pick this. Once this forms and this forms, then once you say matching red, pick it. Matching red, pick it. One peep, 0.2 lot size, and then you exit the market. You see another one form here. So if this has met the requirement, we just pick it. So let's go to the current this. So So you see now the way it is now, one could have said, okay, I want to go in here, but it's a risky thing. The fact that the market honored the rule here and then there's no spike does not mean it is safe. It is risky. Why? Because right here, this is showing that the market is about to spike. It's going up, showing that it's about to spike. This is showing that the market is about to spike as well. So honoring this at this time is just going to risk your account from you are just going to risk your account and you can blow out your account. You need to follow the rules strictly, and with that you are sure that you will grow your account in a very, very safe manner. So what am I saying? Once you see this form and you see this form and then you see this form, then you are safe. As you go further, when you see matching red, like for example this, you go in, pick one candle, one pip or one candle, and you are out. So you see here another one after this, another one form here, pick one pip and you are out. Then you see here another one form here, you pick one pip and you're out. Look at this. You see, if you have done this now, this spike will not even come near you. Now once you see that a spike occurred and the market is above the purple line, which is your trend line, just hold yourself and not go in the market again. That way, then you need to see formation of this and this to go ahead. Or if the market now falls back under that trend line and then it falls back under the purple line, then you give it a while, you give the market a while to go down, and then you can now consider it for this. But if the market is still going up, make sure you don't enter the market unless you see a formation of this and this, which shows to you that the market is now going to plunge downwards, and then there's a strong tendency to go downwards, which will make taking this indicator a safe thing to do. All right, guys. So I apologize. I think this video is quite long now. Now let me quickly show you the settings, and then from there you know what to do. All right. So the first one you need to know is that there's a moving average of 50, which is what I use for the trend. Moving average, the period is 50, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, you apply to close, and then the style, I use 3 pixel and I use purple. No levels. So you click done, and then you go to the next moving average. The next moving average is moving average 5, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, the style, I use 2 pixel, and then you can use this gold color. Then the next one is Ichimoku. Now that formation you see on that on the main chart is Ichimoku. So the Tekken Sen is 9, the Kijun Sen is 9, the Senko span you leave that as 52. No fill, please, no fill. Don't press in fill. Then you put the Tekken Sen and the Kijun Sen as 3 pixel, and you can choose the style that you want. I picked red, and then for the remaining, try to put it all in one pixel and use your background color so that you don't see them. You want them to be invisible. So for the next one, you go to the main chart. You click here. So once you click there, you see your accelerator indicator, which is down here. You click it, then you go again, you come and click here again, here, and then you see your awesome indicator. You click it, and then that way you have done indication 1 and then indicator 2. Then for your indicator 3, you come to this place again, click it, Sorry about that. You come here, you click it. The very first indicator under the trend, you hit it, and then I've added a new one there, have I? Okay, you click it, and then you will give you something like this. So the setting is this. Period is 50. Then the style, for the style you have 2 pixels 0, and then for the plus D high, you put 3 pixel green, and then negative DI you put 2 pixel, and then you put that as white background color. And then for the levels, you put 0, 5, 10, 20, 35, 00, 0, 5, 10, 20, 35, 00. Just put it like that, and then you pick your style. I use purple, you can use purple as well, or 2 pixel. All right, so you move next, and next, instead of clicking this, you come down to click this for the indicator 3. Clicking this, you add your moving average 10, shift period 10, shift 0, method simple apply to close, then style 3 pixel, and then you put in your style color red. All right, choose. Then you come again and click here. You go market facilitation index, and then you change all the stick line. The volume is stick. The line weight is 4 pixel. Then the style. The MFI up, volume up is green. The MFI down, volume down is black. MFI up, volume down is black. MFI down, volume up is green. And then you click done for that. Then you come again to that same third indicator window, and then you click on your market facilitation. When you click that, you add market facilitation index. Okay, we have done that. You add your relative strength index. You leave that at period 14 as it is. Put the background color, and then for the style, you put 90, 10, 50, 15, 85. 90, 10, 50, 15, 85. You put style black, pixel 4 pixel, and there's a reason for that. Then you go again to your main chart, and you click this, and there you add your relative strength index exactly the way it is here. 14 apply to close, period 14 apply to close. The style is 2 pixel, background color white. If you are using a black background color, leave your style the way it is from the previous settings. And then lastly, you will click this indication window 4, and you pick MACD, and this is your MACD setting. 12, 26, the fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 5, apply to close. Then you put 2 pixel, the signal 2 pixel. For the main, use color green, and then for the signal, use color purple, and then you are done. You are done. So with that, you are good to go. You are good to go with that. You can see now we could have entered here with this matching, because now the chart is back. It's under the purple line, which purple 50 moving average, and then this has formed where you see the gold color of the 5 moving average, and then the black color of the moving average 10, and then the Ichimoku are crossing, and then the chart is under it, and then you see this happen. You pick it, and then you leave the market. Take one candle and leave, because you have a small account. Be disciplined about it. One candle and leave, because it's now back under. You can see it's still under, so the effect is still, you can see this is also pointing downwards now. So it is pointing down. Immediately this form started pointing downwards, and this one too is going downwards. So the old formation is using the previous formation here, that's falling under the formation here. But it should, in case it goes upward, make sure that this one touches the 85 level, this one touches the 85-90 level, and this one forms before you use this too. I hope you guys are able to get value from this. I know it's a little very detailed. You might need to watch it over and over again, but I promise you, if you get it, no spike, no spike. It's 100%, no spike will catch you, and then you grow it. So I'm challenging you guys from $3.86. I want to pick it and grow this account to $1,000. When I'm done, I come and paste the result. You can join the challenge, guys. All right, take